Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to x cube minus x square minus 25x plus x plus 25. If it is given that the two of its zeros are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So let's see. Let equal magnitude be A. Therefore, zeros are plus A and minus A. So what we can say is x plus A and x minus A are factors of f of x by factor theorem. So what we can say that x plus A multiplied by x minus A is a factor of f of x. Therefore x square minus A square is a factor of f of x. So from this factor what we can do is we can perform a division. Therefore quotient of f of x divided by x square minus A square will be third factor, and from third factor we can find third zero, and remainder of this division will be 0. Now from this remainder we can find the value of A. So let's perform this division. It's x cube minus x square minus 25x plus 25 divided by x square minus A square. So this is x cube minus x square minus 25x plus 25 divided by x square minus A square. So to cancel out x cube term, we'll have to multiply divisor by x. So we have minus x cube minus A square x. So this is minus over here. So x cube get cancelled out. We have minus x square remaining, and 20 minus 25 minus of minus A square is A square minus 25x. And 25 will come down here. Next, to cancel out minus x square, we'll have to multiply the divisor by minus 1. So we get minus x square, and minus of minus A square is plus A square. So this will be subtracted. So minus x square get cancelled out. We are left with A square minus 25x and plus 25 minus A square. Now from this division, x minus 1 is third factor. Therefore x equal to 1 is third zero of f of x. Now remainder has to be 0. Therefore coefficient of x and constant term both should be equal to 0. So coefficient of x and constant term both should be equal to 0. So what we can say is we need a square minus 25 equal to 0 and 25 minus a square equal to 0. Both of these things give us a square equal to 25. So we get value of a equal to plus minus 5. Therefore 1, 5 and minus 5 are 3 zeros of f of x. This is the answer.